Hello, technology geeks! This is Dana from Special One, and in this video we will explore 4 emerging technologies you've to learn about. So, let's get started with virtual reality. Virtual reality is an amazing new technology that allows us to experience new and exciting realities. Virtual reality is an amazing new technology that allows us to experience new and exciting realities. It has the potential to change the way we interact with the world around us, and could even lead to new forms of entertainment and education. For example, one potential use of virtual reality is in education. By allowing students to experience different parts of the world or different aspects of scientific experiments, virtual reality could help them learn more effectively. Virtual reality also has potential as an entertainment medium. By allowing users to experience new and exciting realities, virtual reality could become a popular way to enjoy video games, movies, and other forms of entertainment. So, what are examples of virtual reality? Examples of virtual reality include immersive video games, simulated environments, and interactive experiences. Other examples include educational and training simulations, virtual worlds, and 3D movies. So, some of the famous virtual reality games include Half-Life Alyx, a very popular sci-fi game. If you ever had the chance to try a virtual reality headset, you will love that game so much. Also, there is Beat Saber, a game that is similar to Fruit Ninja, but instead of using your phone's screen, you will use your hands to cut those cubes coming at you. Virtual reality technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with the world. It could allow us to experience things in a way that is more real than reality, opening up new possibilities for learning, entertainment, and communication. There are many different types of virtual reality technology, but all of them involve using software to create a simulated environment that users can interact with. Some of the most popular types of virtual reality include virtual reality headsets, which allow users to experience 3D environments, virtual reality movies, which allow users to watch movies in a 3D environment, and virtual reality games, which allow users to experience different scenarios or worlds. There are a few different ways that virtual reality technology could be used. One potential use is for training and education. For example, virtual reality could be used to train doctors how to perform surgery or to teach students how to use computers. Another potential use of virtual reality technology is for entertainment. For example, virtual reality could be used to create a simulated world where users can experience different types of games or movies. Another potential use of virtual reality technology is for communication. For example, virtual reality could be used to communicate with people who are unable to come to meet you in person. Movies where virtual reality is introduced typically deal with a situation where the user is placed in a simulated environment that is different from the real world. This can be used for entertainment or to introduce new concepts or ideas. These movies include The Matrix, a sci-fi movie where the hero is trapped into a virtual world. Also, movies like ReadyPlayerMe, Jumanji, and Free Guy are examples of movies that explain virtual reality. In Free Guy, for example, we've our hero who is a bank teller living in a virtual city. He is an artificial intelligence or robot that does the same thing every day. However, there are real people that enter that city and do whatever they want. As the movie progresses, our hero figured out he wanted to become the hero of the game himself. Here things turned around, and he began to make changes on his own. Whatever, I believe you will love that movie. So, I will let you watch it instead. Now, let's move to emerging technology number 2. And that is artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Artificial intelligence is a technology that can learn and understand new tasks and solve problems. AI has been around for many years, but has recently been gaining more attention due to its potential for use in a variety of fields. One of the most commonly used applications of AI is in the field of machine learning. This involves training a computer to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. This is done by providing the computer with a set of examples of how to perform a task and then allowing it to learn from these examples. This process is repeated until the computer can perform the task on its own without being explicitly programmed. You can see this in real action while you're searching on Google, for example, or typing a word wrong. You will find that the AI provides you with suggestions or correcting your typing. Have you ever wondered how it works? Yes, you're right, it was the artificial intelligence. Another application of AI is in the field of natural language processing. This involves teaching a computer to understand and respond to human language. This is done by training the computer on large amounts of text, including both positive and negative examples. Once the computer has learned how to understand and respond to human language, it can be used to carry out tasks such as customer service or automatic translation. There are many other applications of AI, but these are the two of the main categories where you can find AI. You can also learn more about 3 crazy AI applications in this video. I'm sure you will love it. Now, let's move to self-driving cars. They are cars that are driven by computers and can help reduce traffic and improve safety. Self-driving cars are cars that are driven by computers and can help reduce traffic and improve safety. They are already being used in some parts of the world, and there is a lot of research being done on how to make them even better. Self-driving cars could eventually make our roads much safer and save people a lot of time. These cars, of course, need artificial intelligence and other technologies to function properly. Yes, AI is almost in every new emerging technology. There are many companies that work on developing self-driving cars, including Tesla, which could be considered the biggest car company in the world, owned by Elon Musk. Most Tesla models have self-driving options, whether they're fully or semi-automated. So, if you've a fully automated self-driving car, you can rest while the car drives you to work safely. There are too many movies with self-driving cars, but my favorite is Batman's. It is called the Batmobile, I believe. And, aside from having many features to help Batman catch the bad guys, it could drive itself and help him when he needs. Now, let me know, what do you think of self-driving cars? Would you like to have one in the future? The last emerging technology for today's video is 3D printing. 3D printing is a technology that can create real-life objects from digital data. It is a process of making a three-dimensional object from a digital model. It can be used to create objects from a variety of materials, including plastic, metal, and even food or human tissue. 3D printing is becoming increasingly popular due to its versatility. It can be used to create objects ranging from small trinkets to large, complex structures. 3D printing is also environmentally friendly, as it does not produce any metal or plastic waste. It can even use recycled material to work. 3D printing is still in its early stages, and there are many potential applications for the technology. It could be used to create custom prosthetic limbs, for example, or to create entire models from digital data. 3D printing is also likely to be used in the future to create new types of materials. By the way, have you ever wondered if we can 3D print homes? Well, the quick answer is that it is possible, and there are 3D printed homes already. Would you like to learn more about this technology? Let me know in the comments, and I will happily create a video for you. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new. Please, if you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And, if you've any questions, please let me know in the comments below.